In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity Pro effectively with a full tutorial featuring examples from the academics, social, and finance features. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to head over to Google. Simple enough, right? Open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other, and in the search bar, go ahead and type in Perplexity. With these keywords, you should see the Perplexity website pop up in your search results. Go ahead and click on that link to head straight to their website. Now that we've reached the Perplexity site, it's time to explore its features. We'll begin with the academics functionality. Look for the option that allows you to select a source. Here, you'll want to click on Academic to dive into scholarly content. With the academic context set, it's time to unleash your creativity by making a prompt. Think of a topic or question relevant to your academic needs and type it in. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, find the Submit button and give it a click. Now, we wait for Perplexity Pro to work its magic. This shouldn't take long, so take a deep breath and get ready for the results. Once you've received the academic content you're looking for, you might want to start a new thread for a different topic. To do this, simply click on New Thread, and you'll be back at the start, ready to dive into a new area of interest. Next, let's turn our focus to the social feature. Again, select the source, and this time, click on Social. Just as before, it's time to craft a new prompt. Enter your question or topic related to social content and hit the Submit button once more. Wait for Perplexity to fetch the relevant information, and shortly, you'll have the social insights you're after. If you're ready to start another inquiry, click on New Thread, and you can start fresh with a new query. Finally, it's time to explore the finance feature. Select the source just like we've done before, and this time, click on Finance. With the finance setting, create a prompt that aligns with your economic or financial interests. Once your prompt is ready, proceed by clicking Submit. Allow Perplexity Pro to gather the finance-related information you're seeking. As usual, once you've received this information, feel free to start a new thread if you'd like to explore another query or topic. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Perplexity Pro using its academics, social, and finance features. Remember, each section offers a unique perspective and tailored insights based on your input. By using these tools, you can enhance your research, gain insights, and stay informed across various fields of interest. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.